favorite ice cream. So let's try the homemade ice cream with using a 4 ingredient. Yes, with 4 ingredient. So hey foodies, I am Ruchika and I welcome to my channel The Architect's Kitchen. Today we will see the recipe of ice cream, the mango ice cream. So yellow is in the air. So let's get started.
Take out the pulp from the mango and grind into a fine puree and add to the pan on medium flame. After that add 3 tablespoons sugar and mix it well. We need to cook it until it's become translucent. It's take around 5 to 7 minutes. After 5 to 7 minutes, you would notice the pulp becomes translucent and color slightly orangish. So perfect. This type of mixture we want for the ice cream. And switch the flame and let it cool down this mixture. After that, switch on the flame and take a half liter of milk and add a 6 tablespoons of sugar and bring it to the boil. Stir it if there is a need. After the boil of milk, add the slurry of corn flour plus water. The quantity given below in the description box, and cook it until we will see in the thickening of the milk. Milk should be thickened slightly, and add our cooked ready mixed of mango. So I am adding this cooked mango pulp in the boiled milk for the better texture for ice cream. And after few minutes you will notice the mixture turns slightly yellow. Perfect. We want this type of a mixture for our ice cream. So take out in the grinder jar and we need to churn it for the minute or 2, and after that pour into an airtight container and seal it properly and freeze it around 4 to 5 hours. Freeze it and crystallize it for 4 to 5 hours. After 4 to 5 hours, we need churn the ice cream again because we didn't use any heavy cream or whipping cream for our ice cream. So this is a mandatory step. You have to be churn this mixture for better texture and better taste, and this is a mandatory step, churning again a ice cream. After churning a 1 minute or 2 minutes, the pulp look like this, and again transfer it in a airtight container and refrigerate it till it sets properly, like become a thickened, look like a ice cream. See, and leveling it like this. You can refrigerate it overnight as well. It's depend upon your refrigeration. After set the ice cream, take out the ice cream tub and put into the normal regular water. And here we go. Our Dodsley ice cream is ready and looks like this. So yummy, right? Ta-da! And I'm decorate it with some mango pulp which I had made for the ice cream mixture. So it's look yum, and you can also garnish with some pistas, cashews, whatever dry fruit you like. So this is our delicious ice cream is ready. A delicious 4 ingredients ice cream is ready. I know every home have these 4 ingredients. So what are you waiting for, guys? Go and make it and share your experience. Tell me in the comment box. Bye and subscribe to my channel.